Today's July 29th, 2022. This is update 7 of the antique carousel at Canobie Lake Park. Carousel still not open. I'm hearing the carousel might be open by August now. So here's the update. So they took the sign down. So they're gonna do a whole brand new sign for the carousel. So they took the sign down. So they're gonna put the brand new sign up. So they're gonna do the sign. But the carousel looks good so far. So, wow. So they got all new brass gold rings. So the poles all gold now. Looking good. They're taking their time to redoing the carousel. But the poles looks nice. The flooring, they did the floor already. But the pole's looking good. All gold. Looks nice. Most of the horses is on.
That was great, Tom. You want some of this ride though?
So the band organ's there. They still have to put like the feet guards on horses. They're almost done. They're almost done with this ride. Give it about a couple more weeks. This ride might be open by mid-August. But the gold looks nice. That gold looks nice. Y'all doing a good job. Wow, this carousel looks better and better. Every time I come to the park, it looks better and better. So the new update is the gold poles. Looks nice. Pole looks nice. Horses looks great. They still have to put the safety feet things down. But they're almost done. They still have to put the carriage back. The seat carriage. But the carousel looking great right now. They're doing a great job. I give it about mid-August. Maybe like August 16, August 17. The carousel might be open. They still got a lot of work to do. But that gold looks nice. Especially with the sun is shining on it. Looking great. Wow. I will let y'all guys know when the ride's open. When the ride's open, I will have a POV of the restored carousel. And I will have lots of videos on this. This ride's looking great. So I see most of the animals is on. They probably have to do like electrician work now. They still got little finished touches they have to do. They still have to test the ride. They still have to pass the state inspection. Then they had to test the ride probably for a week. Then the state had to come into the park, inspect the whole ride. Then once the state passed the inspection, and once the state signed off, then the carousel could open. So carousel looking great. Looking great. Wow. Can't wait. Can't wait for this carousel to be open. Been waiting for 3 years. Last time I rode this carousel was Screenfest 2019. The carousel looking great. I can't wait for this carousel to open, and I can't wait to see the ride at night. This ride gonna look nice at nighttime. With the lights, with the colors, and the gold shingles with the house. This carousel gonna look great at night. I can't wait. So the carousel sign, they still have to put the sign up. They still have to put the carriage up. Carriage gone. They still have to set that up. But I see a gold pole right there. So I see they replacing the poles to gold poles. So this ride looking great. Great job, Canobie. Y'all doing a great job on this carousel. Can't wait to see it done. This ride looking great. Great, great, great. So here's the pose. So they put in gold paint or I don't know how they do it. Well, they all the gold pose. So here's the gold pose. So here's the gold pose. So they said put gold pose on the horses. So it's right gonna look great. Can't wait. Can't wait to see this ride to be open. Here's the gold pose right here. There's the gold pose. This carousel looking great. I know I keep on saying that, but if y'all see this in person, this carousel looking beautiful. Wow. It's like a masterpiece. So this is my antique carousel update, construction update number 7 on July 29th, 2022 at Canobie Lake Park. If y'all enjoy this update, press like, share with your friends and family. I see you guys in the next update.